Welcome guys. In this video I will show you how to delete your personal information from your Temu account. I will show you how to do that easy and quick. Just pay attention in this video step by step till the end. So first open your Temu like that, and right now when you open your Temu, go open here your profile. So right now go click on the settings in the corner of the screen. Here you will see many options. Go to privacy. So right now go to additional privacy options and click here. As you see, I will here. So here you will find many options. You will find here delete my personal information. Click here and click I want permanently delete my Temu account and click continue, and that's it. It will delete your account and also your personal information. If this video was helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another video.